The iCloud activation lock is one of the most common problems iPhone and iPad users face. Fix it using professional iCloud bypass tools developed by Checkm8 dev team. Visit the checkm8.info website. Go to the Bypass iCloud Activation Lock screen page and click Download button. Open the Checkm8 Tools package and follow the installation process. Enter your password to allow the installation on your Mac. Click the Install Software button. When the installation is complete, close the installer. Go to Launchpad and click the Checkm8 Tools icon. Now, the Checkm8 is ready to remove iCloud activation lock. Use a lightning cable to connect your iCloud-locked iPhone or iPad to your Mac. The software will detect the locked device and check its compatibility. The Checkm8 Jailbreak application is built into the Checkm8 software. Click the Run Checkm8 button to proceed. Click Start to prepare your device for a jailbreak. Do not worry about seeing a black screen. Please wait for a few seconds and your device will enter the recovery mode. Get ready for the jailbreak. Click the Start button and follow the instructions on the screen. Depending on the iPhone or iPad model, you will need to press and quickly release the specified key combination on the iCloud-locked device. The on-screen guides will show you the correct combination. On the screen for the iCloud-locked device, you will see the jailbreak process in action. Do not disconnect your device until the jailbreak is complete. The Checkm8 will show you the All Done message. Now click the Done button and close the application. Immediately after the jailbreak, the Checkm8 tool will recognize your device and check its compatibility. If the device is supported, the software will prompt you to buy a license. Click the Order iCloud Bypass button. Fill out the order form and make a payment. You can use your credit card or other payment methods accepted by the service. Pay for your order. Do not reconnect your device. Once you make the payment, the iCloud Bypass tool will automatically recognize it and show you the Start button. Click the Start button to bypass the iCloud activation screen lock. Wait until you see the Your device has been successfully bypassed message. Done! You have successfully bypassed iCloud activation lock on your device. It is now fully functional. You can use your Apple ID, install apps from the App Store, make and receive calls, enjoy internet surfing, and have no limits. With the Checkm8 tools, you can remove iCloud activation lock on iPhone and iPad in just one click.